Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can quickly find and see your bookmarks on the X app, which many of us still like to call Twitter. Whether you're saving funny posts, important threads, or something you just want to come back to later, bookmarks are one of the handiest features on the app. Let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This opens up the main menu, which gives you access to different sections of the app. Next, from that menu, scroll until you see the option labeled Bookmarks. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all of your saved posts live. If you've been bookmarking tweets for a while, you'll see them neatly collected here, waiting for you to revisit anytime you want. Once you're inside the Bookmarks section, you can browse through all the tweets you've saved. They'll appear in the order you added them, with the most recent ones at the top. You can scroll through to catch up on long threads, check out links, save ideas, or just revisit something that made you laugh. Using bookmarks is one of the simplest ways to keep track of tweets without having to like them or retweet them publicly. It keeps everything private and organized, just for you. And the best part is that there's no limit to how many tweets you can save, so you never have to worry about losing something important. To remove a tweet from your bookmarks, open it up, tap the share icon, and select Remove Bookmark. This way you can keep your collection clean and only filled with posts you really need. And that's all it takes. Open the app, tap your profile picture, select Bookmarks, and you're instantly connected to all your saved tweets. It's quick, easy, and make sure you never lose track of the content you want to revisit. Now you know exactly where to go the next time you bookmark something on X.